Hey lovely people, welcome. Now yes, today we are going to cook some chicken pilau, guys. Oof, this recipe is so easy and yes, so yummy. Now come, let's enjoy. And what is pilau without kachumbali? Anyway, yes, so I have my chicken. I'm going to use a kilo of chicken. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of salt, and some pepper, some bay leaves, and some cinnamon sticks right there. Now you add it in there. You add just the salt according to what you have. If you have half a kilo, you reduce some salt. If you have more than a kilo, yes, you add some salt. It's important that you pre-boil this so that our chicken is well seasoned and salted, plus all these other flavors. So yes, our chicken is there, ready. In another pan, add your oil there and onions. Now I used one big onion in here. You can use two medium onions. Now I used 3 garlic cloves and some crushed ginger there. My onions have browned. You want them to brown, please don't let them burn. You add in some pilau masala. I added in a tablespoon of pilau masala and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Now at this point, add in your chicken. Let the chicken blend. This helps it blend with the flavors of the onion and the pilau there. Add in some cumin, some paprika, some salt. Add in more salt. Some 2 teaspoons of salt. Be cautious with the salt, because we have salt in our stew or stock that we are going to use. So yes, add in your basmati rice. Please make sure you have washed it. Yes, so this is the stock. This is what we use to cook the chicken. So it's what I'm going to use. Now you mix it in there properly. I used 1.5 cups of basmati, those big cups, not the other measuring cups. So I also added in 3 cups of water. Now you cover and let it simmer. Let it cook on low heat so that your rice and chicken come out nicely. Guys, my pilau is ready, and guys, just try this out because this is so yummy, so yummy. The chicken is tender and the pilau is nice and it's not dry. As you can see, it's not dry. Goodness, guys, please try it out and let me know. And what is pilau without kachumbali? Please don't leave that out. Cut some onions and some tomatoes nicely. Add in some coriander. You can also garnish with some coriander there. I just sprinkled that on top like that, and guys, this is yummy. Come back for more recipes. Thank you. Ciao.